Hi, we're back cooking with Sharon, and today's special edition is focused on Valentine's Day. I'm super excited because I know some of you guys may not want to go out to dinner, and that's okay because really you have about 2 weeks. It's about 2 weeks away, and you could do something a little bit more intimate, a little bit more specialized, and personalized for that loved one. Now, it doesn't have to be, a date. It could be with your kids because I know a lot of my friends that have kids nowadays, they don't do the whole Valentine's Day thing, but they celebrate as a family. So this could be a family activity that you all could do. And it's just a fun thing and it'll look good. And the best part about it, it's going to taste good. So I decided today when I was in the store, I saw all this stuff. I'm like, that's one of my favorites. Everyone knows if they don't know anything about me, if you don't know anything about me, is I love popcorn. I love popcorn. That's like one of my weaknesses. I like old school popcorn. So I will actually go home and cook popcorn on the stove, like Orville Redenbacher in a pan. I know some of y'all don't know about that because it's only a microwave age, but I love it. So I saw this Tabitha Brown vegan popcorn, and you all know that I'm a fan of vegan cooking, and so I said, why not try it? And it's going to go on the board as one of my favorites. But then, if you don't know, I love, this is another one of my favorites, Twizzlers, and specifically nibs, but I love Twizzlers too. So I said, let's start this whole theme, and I'm giving you an idea too, is that if you don't know what to do or what to make on your charcuterie board, maybe you could do things that are a favorite of your kids, of your loved one, of your spouse, of your girlfriend or boyfriend, and just make it theme oriented. So I'm giving you an idea to hopefully, be a winner. So let's get started. And then of course, these are brownies. I love brownies. And I figured some of the other things on here too, I'm a fan of. So I'm going to incorporate some of this stuff that I love along with your traditional charcuterie because, charcuterie boards are typically cheese, nuts, cured meats, as you see right here. You don't have to have any of this on your board. Again, it's all about you. It's about what you like, what you love, what you want to eat, and I have a theme going. So that's why I said I'm going to keep it going with the colors and also the holiday. So let's get started. So I have just a regular board, and this is a special board because I can take it apart. It's magnetic, so I can make it as small or large as I want. So we're going to actually start off with just one part of it, one of the middle part and one end part. And usually with charcuterie boards, I like to place my cheese first. Just it'll give me kind of an idea of where I want things to go symmetrically. And so I picked a couple of my favorite cheeses. This is like a harder cheese, a Merlot base type of cheese. And I'm just going to place it. It's a sharp cheese. I'm going to place it right here on our board. And then I think I'll place, can't go wrong with brie. So I'm going to place our brie cheese right here. And actually, you know what? I think we have a lot of stuff, so I'm going to use the whole entire board. But you guys can work it out to however you like it. I actually made, I didn't, but one of my guys, my kitchen manager, actually made for me today some chocolate-covered strawberries. And we used white chocolate along with some red drizzle. So I'm going to place these on here as well because you can't have a Valentine's Day charcuterie board without chocolate covered strawberries. So we'll place those. And then I have right here, let's see, a variety of different chocolates. So before I do that, I'm going to place my meat. And I have traditional cured type of meat that people use on charcuterie boards, salami, I didn't bring my prosciutto out, but it's okay. I usually take these and you could do a variety of different things. I'm just going to fold them today. Just like that. And kind of just in little triangles like that. And then I'll just make like a little round thing. I don't know. I'm just creating as I go. Nothing fancy. If you don't want to do that, then you can take, look, your other type of meat, and you can just lay it like such. Just flat if you don't want to do anything like special to it. And then I'm going to take these and let's see. I'm just going to do them in halves, like half moons. I just want a different type of texture and depth to it. So that's why I switch up how I actually fold my meats, different meats. So we'll take that and very simple. Okay. Next, I'm just going to start filling in. So as you see right here, I'm just going to fill in with some of my favorites. Oh, I forgot. I pulled out another cheese because I love cheese, and it's a sharp cheese. It's a sharp cheddar, and it's a different type of shape. So that's what makes these boards, different, and like kind of, it just brings a different dimension. So I'm using the square. I'm going to keep it like that, and I'm just going to kind of fan it. And we'll put it right here. This is a good spot, I think. Again, this is something that you could do with your children, or if you wanted to create kind of like a date night, if you wanted, that's cool too. I'm going to just take this right here because I like raspberries. I'm just going to keep it in the bowl right in the center. Very simple. And then, like I said, these brownie bites we're going to fill in. I think we'll put them here. So you can place your brownie bites, wherever, or whatever type of sweetness you have right there. I found some cute heart macaroon shaped, or heart shaped macaroons. So we're going to use those. And let's see, we'll put these right here. Uh-oh. Oh no, I messed it up. Oh well, we'll flip it over. You'll never be able to tell. Okay, now let's see. I have these pinkish, they're cherry donut holes. So especially if you have a kid, they're going to love these. So let's fill these in. Let's do it right here. Okay. And then, I probably should, I'm going to move this because next to these crackers, next to the cheese, I'm actually going to put crackers. Because, most people want cheese and crackers when they're eating. And you can make it however you want, like I said. So we're just going to fan it like so. And, okay, you can't have a, Valentine's charcuterie board without chocolate. So I took these Ghirardelli pieces of chocolate. They're filled with caramel. And we're just going to place them. I think we'll place, you know what? No, I'm going to save this for my conversation hearse. I'm going to put some chocolate right here. I'm going to put some over here. And I'm going to put, these are these Lindt? Oh no, they're another type of chocolate. It's strawberry. So we're just going to fill those in as well. Right there, right there. You're kind of just placing where it kind of just goes with the flow. Can't have this without my favorite nibs, Twizzlers nibs. So I'm going to put that so these won't fall off, just like in a pile right here. And I'm telling you, look, if you hook this board up with some of the favorite things of your loved one, oh my gosh, this is so much better than dinner. It's so much better. And it's more thoughtful. Time and effort was put into it. I love, these are nuts right here, pecans. So these are some caramelized pecans. So I'm going to just put them in here. Just kind of all throughout the board. And then M&Ms. These are all, all Valentine's Day stuff candy. You can't go wrong with it. Sorry, I should have had this open. But we're just going to put it in this little section right here. And then, I mean, this is so old school, y'all. But I had to pick these up. These are the conversation hearts that we had back in the day. You know, you wanted to pick the ones out that you wanted to give to your friend or that person that you were interested in. Oh, let me see. Let me pour these first. Okay. Oh, look, the first one. Oh my, I think I got the wrong thing. This is Conversation Hearts of Friends series. What was I thinking? I didn't even watch Friends. It's all good, but so you guys, if you watch Friends, you may be familiar with some Rachel. Okay, I don't know what that is. On a break? I don't know. Well, hey, it's conversation. So this is, look, I don't know. But you get my point. And find the conversation hearts that you're familiar with. I'm familiar with the ones that say, hug me, will you be mine? What's another one? I can't recall, but you know what I mean. So we can put these right here. And then I love pretzels. So we're just gonna, and these are cute. So I got these. We'll just put these on as such. You can kind of jazz it up. Let's see. We're running out of space, but that's what it's all about. Charcuterie, you just kind of place and create. And you want different dimensions and color. Okay, so I think it's looking pretty good. We need something in this one little space though, right here. Right here. And what I have this these currants left. So this is a fruit. We'll just add this. It's a great color. Damn. I didn't even use this, but you could also in some capacity incorporate this. But I mean, heck, I think we did a great job. Oh my gosh, how could I have forgotten? Look, I forgot one of my favorites. Popcorn. Oh, wow. Okay, so we could do one of two things. I originally wanted to incorporate it throughout the board, but you could do that as an option. But you could also, I mean, I could use this little heart-shaped plate if I wanted. We'll put some on there because typically, I hate to say it, but I don't really share my popcorn. I mean, I'll make you your own if you really want some, but I would need my own little bucket or little bag. So we could do that. But if we didn't have this, you don't have to have you could have a bowl. You could also just go around and incorporate it into the actual board. So just like you may have seen some other charcuteries that I've done where you're at the end kind of like implementing all throughout, just on either side of the board, the popcorn or chips or what have you. And that will tie it all together. Actually, I'm going to move these currants and I'm going to incorporate some right here. And we will put those as accent like garnish. Okay. I think this is looking pretty good. And since it's a vegan popcorn, we could have made this a vegan board. I'll have to show you guys that another time. But as you see, this was so simple, easy. I'm going to put this as garnish now that we have the popcorn. I actually planned this out quite well, I see, where I used all my some of my favorites. So, just another fun option that you can surprise your loved one, your kids, your co-workers, if you want to take something in to your co-workers, because, you know, everyone's kind of like hybrid or back in the office. You could bring this, and this is going to be a winner. So, again, thanks for joining us at Cooking with Sharon. We'll see you the next time.